Shubor Nakashlem Jong Nongsan Hima.
Ka Menteri ka Sarkar Jila ka Bade ka MLA na Laitumkhrah constituency ka kong Ampareen lingdo. Ka laong baka kmilanti bakan sayu ino e ka Laitumkhrah bakan ka lalong kum ka Khyndailad. Ya ka ni kalakran hak bede baga jingtmu pun kan ria ka Sarkar ginong syong de madan Laitumkhrah kumbali dang syan ni ka syong de madan Khyndailad. Habakran shikila pathai kubor ka kong Ampareen ka laong bakam dei baka kwa bantu no e ka kamay ka ji jong kinong je jing de Hendrai kedai namar bahap ban le eke ke ba idan kam. Kalau ong baka jingkren jong ba pol kalong ke badai ban penken ria sai ki ba syong dia jeng di harut lenti Laitumkhrah dak ba ong baka Sarkar ke perkhat nak benta ke jimen toi ke bakrau. Shu kalau ong ru baka jing persya ya ke Sarkar ke donbet hendrai ya ke baka Sarkar ke latmu omla ban pen sange. Kalau ong ru bakamla ban le eke ni marwei hendrai ke don kam ke jing trilang bat ki pat ba da ka baong ru baka dorbar kala trei la ka jong ka kam bat kala pun kre nak benta kani ka Sarkar ka hab ban pit banya bha ya gani hashwa baka ne bat ka hab man yat kat kum ka an ni hab ban puli banya ashwa ya ka jinglong jingman kala ong.
Just let me again repeat my stand on this subject. Government has a plan of action. Government is considering this huge, annoying presence that we find in every part of the city, not just in Laitumkhrah. We need to have a very calculated, targeted, focused solution of the problem. I do not want to rub words with vendors. I have nothing to say at this point of time, but we need to fix it, and people are looking towards the government to fix it. How do we fix this problem? Is it an obligation? What are these obligations? What are the extents of these obligations? Who's telling us to be obligated to what? How do you evaluate who becomes eligible to face obligatory action by government? Very complex matter. And as a responsible citizen, I will not indulge and divulge information which is premature in nature. When will we move them? How will we move them? Why should we move them? And where will we move them to? You just have to be patient. Remember that we are dealing with human lives, and in our efforts to deal with problems which are related to mind, to livelihood, we have to be cautious. And yes, but Paul is correct. It is another reading on the wall. We have to sort it out. But I can assure you, government is sympathetic to the largest degree. We are not going to be engaging in drama, because drama is not the way out in these situations. I can understand feelings will go out of hand. People can say whatever they want, hurt somebody, take out weapons, this, that. We've seen those dramas. That drama is not going to happen in my turf. And I am working sincerely to ensure that whatever plan we bring before, whoever is going to be, part of this decision taking. And yes, we are working hard. I cannot do this alone. I need the public to participate. My Darbar is very much in line. Darbar is also preparing a plan of action. And government needs to remember that judicial intervention is a stone throw distance away from every citizen. We will handle this cautiously, with all care. We will study situations, and I hope that we will once again be positive and I hope that we will soon see a police bazaar Khyndailad look in the streets of Laitumkhrah.